This demo features our top-selling robot, the RV-8CRL, on the machine tending version of our ARIA platform. ARIA stands for Automated Robotic Industrial Assistant, and it joins LoadMate Plus in our pre-engineered work cell product family. As you can see, it is very compact and portable. For the machine tending version, ARIA includes Mitsubishi Electric's FX5 PLC, an external 120-volt outlet, a network switch with external Ethernet port, an operation button panel, floor mounting brackets, and much more. We also have an option to mount the RV-8CRL on an angle to allow it to have better access to both the CNC spindle and incoming or outgoing parts. ARIA is available in a variety of configurations and can be ordered with many of our robots. For this cell, the high-performing, cost-effective, and durable RV-8CRL was chosen due to its popularity in machine tending applications. The RV-8CRL is used for many different applications, with machine tending and case packing being the most popular. All of our robots come with a 3-year on-site warranty and no charge, and are eligible for Robot Diamond Assurance, a prepaid 5-year preventative maintenance program that also extends the on-site warranty to 5 years. Regarding user interfaces, we are using our GOT Direct connection to allow operators to use screens that were created in GT Designer 3 in order to check operational status, troubleshoot errors, refer to manuals, and jog the robot from the GT2000 series GT25. The GT2506HS that we are using is a compact, lightweight interface that features a 6.5-inch diagonal screen. Please contact us for more information about ARIA or any of our factory automation products.